Let's meet Harry. Around 5 months ago, disaster struck. The screen of his phone got cracked, the button stopped working, and the accessories disappeared. Harry was getting too much anxious and looking for the best solution for this. One day, his friend told him about iTech Xpress, which is located near his location in Covina. Right away, Harry browsed iTechExpressing.com as he wanted to know about their services and offerings too. He found out that they offer a full range of repair services for electronic devices, including cell phones, computers, and tablets. With their comprehensive parts and free diagnostic services, they can handle any issue. Most importantly, iTech Express even offers same-day service for many repair services at affordable costs. By all-knowing, Harry called their experts at 626-777-4747 and discussed his problem with them. Finally, he was really satisfied with their professional, prompt, and affordable repair service. If you are also looking for the same as Harry, contact iTech Express right this minute.